ये जो नॉर्मल टेस्ट होते हैं, ब्लड टेस्ट जो सजेस्ट किए जाते हैं हर 6 मंथ्स पे कराओ, और मैंने सुना है जापान में तो मैंडेटरी है एवरी ईयर कराना ही है पूरी पॉपुलेशन को, उनकी एवरेज लाइफ एक्सपेक्टेंसी इंक्रीज हो गई है उसकी वजह से, राइट? तो इन टेस्ट में क्या कैंसर पकड़ा जा सकता है?
Okay. So see, that's a very good question. So you asked me one question, na, ki, Dr. Vineet, how we will defeat cancer in 10 years. So this is, I think, one of the most important things, how we will destroy this disease. Okay?
जी
See, so there is something called liquid biopsy. See, you know what is a biopsy?
जी
मान लो suppose
टुकड़ा निकाला।
I have a breast mass. I can put a needle into the mass, take out a small piece of tissue,
हाँ
put it under the microscope and say, हाँ इसको breast cancer है. Okay?
हाँ
सो देयर इज समथिंग कॉल्ड लिक्विड बायोप्सी. लिक्विड बायोप्सी में क्या है कि कोई भी कैंसर सेल अगर बॉडी में है, सपोज देयर इज अ ट्यूमर विच इज से 1 सेंटीमीटर इन साइज, दिस मच.
जी
So that tumor sheds cancer cells into the blood at a very high rate. Even a small cancerous tumor, what happens is the blood vessels which are around that tumor, they are not normal blood vessels. They are leaky. They leak. Okay? So cells can fall in, cells can fall out. Plus, cancer cells don't grow in a normal way. They grow in a disorganized way. Cells are dying, new cells are coming. 1 billion cells are born.
बेतुका सा स्ट्रक्चर
999 million die.
हाँ
1 billion are left. Another 1 billion are found. 999 million die. So they are growing in a very disordered way. So what happens is when this big number of cells are dying, they are shedding DNA into the blood. Cancer DNA is being shed into the blood. Even the cells are being shed into the blood.
ट्यूमर मार्कर्स।
We'll come to tumor markers, but this is slightly different.
Okay.
So you're right in calling them tumor markers, slightly different.
जी
So what happens is, even 100 years ago,
जी
what used to happen is people used to take blood sample of a breast cancer patient and see कि red cell दिख रहे हैं, white cell दिख रहे हैं, platelet दिख रहे हैं, इसमें cancer cell भी दिख रहे हैं. People used to see that they were circulating cancer cell in the blood for cancer patient. Even 100 years ago, it was known. Okay. What problem was that by the time you can see them under the microscope, the patient would be stage 4 and it would be too late. Okay. So now what is there is that you can now, so earlier you might be able to detect 1 out of 100 cells. So in the microscope, if you count 100 cells and 1 is a cancer cell, your resolution is 1 out of 100. Now technology is available where you can detect the DNA. See, you cannot count cells after a certain point, but you can detect the cancer DNA at a resolution of like 1 in 1 million. So suppose you have got 1 million normal cell DNA and 1 cancer cell DNA circulating in the blood. Now that technology is already there where you can detect that DNA. Okay. So what is happening is, so the resolution has been increasing over the last few years.
zooming
Okay. So if I go back 5 years, when I used to read our textbooks, the resolution was 1 in 10,000. Now it has increased to 1 in 1 million. Okay. Maybe in few years it will become 1 in 10 million or 1 in 100 million or 1 in 1 billion. So based on this platform, now what happens is that now tests are coming that when the tumor cell is just 1 centimeter in size, it is shedding DNA into the blood.
जी
Now tests are coming which can detect that DNA and tell you कि भाई आपकी बॉडी में कहीं पे कैंसर है, आपका DNA पॉजिटिव आ रहा है ब्लड में कैंसर का, somewhere in your body there is cancer. Additionally, you can sequence that DNA. जो DNA निकला है ना, you can check that DNA and say कि ये colon cancer का DNA लग रहा है, तो आपके colon में कहीं ना कहीं there is a cancer cell. ठीक है, तो then you can do a colonoscopy, find that early tumor and treat it in stage 0 or stage 1.
बट ये कोई स्पेशल टेस्ट है क्या?
Okay. So problem है कि these tests have just started coming. Okay. These tests have, the first test which is approved in the US, it has come in 2025, this year. Okay. Problem is these tests have their limitation. ये टेस्ट अवेलेबल है बट दे हैव पुअर एक्यूरेसी. तो किसी को कैंसर नहीं है, इट विल गिव पॉजिटिव, वो भी हम नहीं चाहते क्योंकि बेचारा परेशान रहेगा, सारे टेस्ट कराएगा, एंडोस्कोपी कोलोनोस्कोपी को मिलेगा नहीं. तो हम ये भी नहीं चाहते कि वो जो कैंसर नहीं है उसको कैच करे, और हम ये भी नहीं चाहते कि कैंसर है और मिस हो जाए. तो सपोज समबडी हैज अ 2 सेंटीमीटर ब्रेस्ट ट्यूमर, आपने मैमोग्राफी कराने के बजाय उसका ब्लड टेस्ट करा लिया, ब्लड टेस्ट ने बोला नेगेटिव है, अब नॉट जाओ, मैमोग्राफी की जरूरत नहीं है. And later that 2 centimeter tumor takes her life. We don't want that also. So these tests are already available. These tests are available at a research level. Okay. One test is approved in the US, which is only for colon cancer. All other tests are at the research level. Okay. So over the next 2 to 3 years, these tests will become so accurate that you will be able to do them. Over the next 2 or 3 years, my anticipation is that test will become that accurate that like you go and do a CBC, LFT, KFT, you can ask for a cancer screening test. and they will take a blood sample and it will come negative for majority of patients. But for some patients, it will say, please meet your doctor. We are detecting breast cancer DNA in your blood. So there might be a breast cancer cell somewhere in your body. Okay. So ya to you will then do a MRI and catch the tumor. Or if the tumor is so small, you can just do every 2 monthly you can do a scan. And when the tumor becomes big enough to be seen, you can actually
and then you remove it.
So my feeling is the future of cancer prevention is going to be tests like this. That is my feeling.
But right now it's not possible.
So no, it's possible, but the technology is not accurate, so we are not giving it to patients.
Achha.
Okay, because what will happen is if I give it to patients, patient do the test come positive, then you're not able to find anything, then you are at sea. So क्या बोले ये टेस्ट गलत हुआ है या कुछ नहीं मिला, क्या बोले या टेस्ट कम नेगेटिव, पेशेंट चिल हो गया, मेरे को तो कुछ नहीं है, ठीक है, एंड लेटर you realize कि it was a false negative. So screening tests are only useful if they are accurate. Okay? तो जैसे पैप स्मीयर बोला, अगर पैप स्मीयर करने में पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव की कोई वैल्यू ही नहीं है तो पेशेंट का पैप स्मीयर क्यों करना है? तो सेम इज ट्रू फॉर कैंसर ब्लड टेस्ट. So they have to be at least 90-95% accurate before you can deploy it to the population. Before that, so all these tests are available, but right now they are not ready for deployment to the population. So we need this test to become more accurate, which will take 2-3 years.
Okay.
And then probably our population can also be. So some companies are actually advertising these tests. I will tell you without taking any name, there are some companies which are selling these tests to people. So problem is they come to me, sir मैंने टेस्ट कराया, टेस्ट पॉजिटिव आ गया, अब मैं क्या करूँ? ठीक है, तो ठीक है, we get all the scans done, everything will be clear. And फिर उसको भूलना पड़ता है यार, I think it's a false positive. But imagine that test destroyed his life. I had a patient, I will tell you. So this is 2 years back. So I had a patient. This guy was around 27, about to get married. Okay?
That's very young.
27, about to get married. And he thought वो शादी से पहले अपना सारे टेस्ट करा लेता हूँ. And somebody misinformed him कि तुम ये वाला टेस्ट करा लो. Okay? And at that time, आज जितना एक्यूरेसी है उससे भी कम था. आज तो 1 in 1 million एक्यूरेसी है. उस टाइम 1 in 10,000 एक्यूरेसी था और कुछ भी एक्यूरेसी नहीं था उस टाइम. तो his test came positive. His test came positive that, sir, somewhere in your body there is this mutation, KRAS mutation, which should not be there in a normal cell. It is a cancer cell mutation. So the test which he got that done, it was a more primitive test. Nowadays a test can also tell you where the organ is, where this DNA has come from. But that time those tests only used to say positive or negative. Okay, and somewhere in the body there is cancer. So patient contacted me कि sir, I have done this test. It has come positive. What to do? So patient was not living in Delhi. Patient was living far away. So I said, first tell me which doctor ordered this test. ठीक है? तो किसी ने order किया होगा ना test? Who prescribed this test? He said some doctor ordered it. मैंने first go and meet that doctor. Tell me what he says. ठीक है? So that doctor had no answer. That doctor said go to oncologist. So that was an irresponsible prescription. See, never order a test when you don't know what you will do when that test comes positive. ये एक rule है in medicine. If you are ordering a test, please know what you will do if the test comes positive. Otherwise, don't order the test. So that fellow has ordered a test came positive, said go to oncologist. तो said sir वो बोल रहा है आप बताओ. तो मैंने कहा ठीक है, I got his scans done. मैंने कहा एक PET scan करा लो. I got his endoscopy done. बेचारे की upper endoscopy हुई, lower endoscopy हुई. He got everything done. Everything came negative. Everything. He had to break off his marriage. Because his wife said, you have cancer, I will not marry you. His fiancé said, you have cancer, I will not marry you. अब इस इंसिडेंस को 3 साल हो गए हैं. That patient never had cancer. उसको था ही नहीं cancer. We have done the test again with the refined test. It is actually negative. And there is no cancer in him. 3 साल से he is okay. And now he is planning to get married. But just an inaccurate test changed his life. Just because his test was not accurate. So before deploying this test to the public कि तुम लोग कर लो, we need to be very sure that they are accurate. We can't give this technology to public until it is accurate.
In his head, probably he got a new life.
I know. But in my head, I wanted to beat up that doctor with a stick. Okay, I wanted to say भाई कहते ना कंबल कुटाई, मेरा मन था उसकी कंबल कुटाई होनी चाहिए उसकी. ठीक है, मैंने कहा भाई तुमने टेस्ट ऑर्डर कर दिया, बट यार तुम्हें टेस्ट का पता ही नहीं यार व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ दैट टेस्ट. तुमने उसको प्री मैरिटल टेस्ट बना दिया, बट विदाउट नोइंग हाउ अ टेस्ट वर्क्स, व्हाट इज द एक्यूरेसी, पॉजिटिव आएगा तो मैं क्या करूँगा, नेगेटिव, हाउ कैन यू ऑर्डर अ टेस्ट विदाउट नोइंग दिस थिंग्स. So that is irresponsible ordering of a test. So whenever you order a test, you should know what you will do if the test comes positive and what you will do if the test comes negative. अगर पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव दोनों में तुम सेम चीज करने वाले हो तो डोंट ऑर्डर द टेस्ट मेरे से।